Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure Tutoring. So today's topic is what is AWS Inspector. So AWS Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of application deployed on AWS. It scans for vulnerabilities, internet network exposure, and deviations from the best practices. By analyzing EC2 instance and the container workloads, it provides detailed finding to help in remediate potential security risk effectively. So basically, it investigate all the reports. So inspector means what? In observe or it will inspect all the things inside the AWS. So that's why it is called as AWS Inspector. So for example, AWS Inspector means it observes everything inside the AWS account, either your account or another account also. To do this, we'll go for the demo, so we'll get a more clarifications and everything. So I'll go to the AWS account and I'll search for the inspector. Okay. So you can see AWS Inspector. So right now we are going to enable AWS Inspector. Okay. So for do that, we'll search for AWS Inspector and we wait for it. Just wait. So you can see Get Start. Okay. So when you click on Get Start, you can see Active Inspector as well. So right now I just want to activate that inspector to monitor everything. Okay, to investigate everything. To do that, I'll click on Active Inspector. So when you click on Active Inspector, you can see it is activated. Okay. So you can see. So right now it will investigate all the things, not only the services, everything it will serve. For example, it will service it the services like EC to S3, everything they'll start to investigate. For example, to check that when you go to the instance, you can see number of instance, what are the number of instances running and everything. Okay. So right now I don't have an instance, that's why you can't see anything. But if there is any instance and everything, from with the help of inspector, you can easily observe the things and everything. And also, if you want to add any particular kind of accounts and everything, means that is also possible. So you can see manage all account over here. So when you click manage all account, you can see an option called active, right? So when you click on active, so you can see right now the account. So already one account is there. That is my account. That is 140403179255. That is the same account. So in that account, it is already started. So it will scan and it will detect all the investigations and everything. So for example, when you click on instance also, you can see right now the number of instances is 0. So that's why it is not able to show you anything. And also if you want to scan anything like EC2, ERC scanning and everything, Lambda and everything, from here also you can do it. So I'm doing as a all instance. So to deactivate the member account also you can do it from here. So for example, if you want to deactivate your account and everything means from the actions. That means when you go to the actions, you can see deactivate option is there. So to deactivate all the option means to deactivate all, you can see when you click on all scanning, you can see deactivate, right? So when you click on deactivate, it will be deactivated. So it will be stopped. So if you want to activate same thing means you have to click towards the active inspector. So what happens? It will create same time. It will create another one. So two states change cannot be made at the same time. Wait till the status change completely. So right now I already deactivated. So that's why it is running. So after that, it stopped and everything. When you click on active inspector, it will create, it will active the inspectors and everything, and you can easily investigate all the things inside this AWS account itself. Okay, so I think this information had helped you to research more things and to get a more knowledge and everything. So if you like your channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.